Tangem versus Ledger versus Trezor. Which crypto wallet wins? So Tangem offers ultra-portable and durable credit card form factored in the seed-powered no battery charging needed device. It is also certified with security, which features secure element chips where private keys are generated. It also has a seedless backup option, which skips seed phrases by using code backup cards. It also has a security audit and immutability. The downside is though, it is mobile only use, it has some blind signing risk, it may have reported past vulnerabilities, and they have less coin support and DApp limitations. Now Ledger on the other hand offers a secure element chip on their device for hardware level private key protection, same as Tangem. It also has an extensive crypto support, which means it handles over 5,000 plus cryptocurrencies. It also has a Bluetooth and software ecosystem, which means it connects to Bluetooth, which supports desktop and mobile apps for easy management. It also has security certifications. The only problem is, it is closed source firmware. They also have past privacy issues and the Bluetooth concerns as well, and it's also criticized as not fully cold. Now, lastly, we have is Trezor. Trezor opens an offering open source firmware and software. It also has recovery and advanced options. It even has a user-friendly and secure UI with a wide coin support. The problem is there's no secure element chip. It also has a higher price. And there's no wireless and mobile UIs, and they also have physical theft risk. So overall, if you're looking for or prefer seedless minimalist security with portability, then go with Tangem. But if you want a massive asset support with Bluetooth access and strong hardware, then choose Ledger. And if you want or value open audits, advanced recovery, and transparent security protocols, choose Trezor.